have the video up. All right, and we are testing this High Breeze, this Crompton Greeves by Encon High Breeze. I love these things.
I do too.
Yeah, and this one has a buyer on it.
Someone already.
Yep.
So this fan was found. Oh, I can't rotate. This fan was found in the Baldwin, Michigan, at a Reece store that is very small. It's actually cash only. Only Reece I've ever been to that's cash only.
Oh.
But we found some good stuff there.
Yeah.
Including this. So me and Reece picked this up. A couple days ago. Whenever we were in the area, we got this and also. A couple other, the Magic Heat. We got a Magic Heat there.
Oh, yes.
And someone else, another little white spinner thing.
The Tragic Heat.
Tragic Heat. Yeah, it runs good. Metal Pete adjusted
the blade
a little
height.
bit.
Yeah.
You guys missed that. That was when we were off the live video. But we
Yeah.
figured we'd come back for the test.
Yeah.
These will also, Pete's filming too, so these will be up on his YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah.
If you want a different perspective of them.
Yep. Oh yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I got the test rig set up. This one you can just hit 0 to high right off the bat if you want.
Go do that.
Hit the
Do I hit the black?
yes black button and
Right
I'm
now.
gonna.
I hit 0 high.
Perfect. Okay, it just jumped up to 0.71 on the meter. Let it get up to speed. Whew. Of course, this thing really flies.
Yes.
So now it's in balance.
Yes, or more in balance. Whoever, well, Jack, you know.
Oh God, there's a. Did you see the one flying around?
It was just rolling along the ground, getting blown.
The horn was
Probably dead already.
No, I think it was close to dead because
Yeah.
I could still hear it.
Yeah, I only balanced it so much, you know, for the video. But, you know, and if you install it anywhere, you're going to have to rebalance it, you know, or Jack, you know.
I'm sure Jack knows how to balance.
I'm very sure he does. Okay, so let's go right to spin down. Off. Off. And there's no reverse on this. So after spin down, we go right to decade box.
Are we gonna watch the entire spin down?
Well, it's filming. The entire spin down does go on camera.
I know you like to stop them, don't you, Reece?
I know.
You're impatient.
But everyone else likes spin down. That's why we did it in the past at the museum, you know, mass spin down.
Yep.
All the fans. Trying to see which one is gonna. Usually it's the minstrel that is the last out of all of them to spin down. It's been that way, even with new installs. It's always been the minstrel. And the Palisade's always the first.
Yep, that would make sense.
Because it's got a lot of weight on it.
Yeah, it's.
And it's mounted horizontally.
Yep.
Is that a? It looks like it was already well used before we tested
Yeah.
it.
And then time for the decade box.
Do I just?
Just go one.
Even with this off.
Yes, keep that off. Keep that off. Let's see what it does. Go up one.
Actually, you do it.
All right, I'll keep it on.
We're going to do the decade box now.
Another
Decade
another
box.
bug.
Don't worry about these, buddy.
All right.
Reece
One.
has his awesome Grateful Dead shirt on. We went and saw the Dead last night.
Two.
We had a good time.
Oh, it's starting on up. It just moved on two, but it's stalled. It's gonna go on three,
So it's at
which is still
3.
fine. Some actually do start on two.
Crompton Greeves.
Yeah, some
Yeah.
fans in general start on
Do
two.
you have any 4-blade Crompton Greaves?
Yes, I do.
Are they,
I want to restore one though.
Are they metal bladed? or-
Yes, metal bladed.
The other two I own. I have one metal 4-bladed one and one.
Oh, I love a 4 metal bladed one, and I have one.
Mine came with the control.
Yeah, interestingly enough, too, the one I got, that Reece got, that 4-blade one for me, it had white blades and a brown motor. And that's how I found it installed.
Yeah. But I got my white 4-bladed one from Mark Welker on the summer group trip of 2016. Here's 4. And here's 5. And this would be low for a standard low for like a learning remote or a standard wall control. This is what you'd get on low speed. And that's 0.23, which is a typical current draw for low. And 6, 7, which is 0.3, 8. Now I'm used to shouting out numbers. 0.36, so this would be like if I had a 4-speed medium low. 9, 10, and I'm going to go right to 12. 13. Let me see. 5, 6, 4. I just had to make sure. I had to hit the high switch to make sure I couldn't remember. Here's 14. 15. 16. 0.5.
What was it rated for?
It's like, I think I got 0.53 on high, so I'm getting close. What was 12 was, so I'm still well below. I could actually use this on a learning remote. 17, 18, 19, and here's 20. Alright, so let me just hit high. And so I'm pretty close to high with 20. So an 8, 12, 20 would be kind of a useless control because it's too close to high, but you're safe with any wall control at least. Because if I hit high, I get 0.53, and I'm just under. So I'm not really going to go any more on the decade box because I would start to go over.
What would happen?
Well, basically you draw more current than it actually is meant to handle. I mean, nothing really if you go a little over. Nothing really. But if you could actually burn up like a control that's drawing too much current, either a control...
Oh, we almost had one. We almost had a wasp, I think, just get hit by the fan almost.
And then also you can burn up the capacitor in the fan. You can burn up a capacitor.
Have you seen the video of the dude who put like 1,000 microfarad
Yes.
in a ceiling fan?
It just exploded. Didn't even...
It blew the bottom cap off.
Yes, I saw that. Okay, time for the solid state variable, because this is what these would be on.
It came with the control. It came with the original control, didn't it?
Which one?
This
we do have the original control for this.
Yeah, but
we haven't.
It's missing pieces. It might be missing a few pieces.
I don't think it's missing pieces. I think we just need to reassemble it because the knob was
And we need
off
to-
and the plastic case was on.
Yeah, normally when what I would do is normally, like if you had the control on hand, what I do is plug it in place to the decade box and run that, and that would become factory speeds.
Yeah.
'Cause I do that with Evergoes a lot, that come with the 5-speed control box or any Moss or Golden fan. 0.24. Do you hear any noise? God, this is quiet too. Very quiet. I can't even hear hum and buzz from it at all. Not even with that on. You gotta like really...
But the blender fan's the noisiest thing in here.
Is the blender fan? I haven't even heard. I guess it is still on. Yeah, so there's...
I don't hear any kind of hum and buzz out of it. So I'm gonna
The
go up a little
Abomination
more.
blender fans, the K63
Yep.
has an ugly light kit and was painted white. It's originally a brown one, this one painted white. But
In the condition it's in, it's fine for the garage.
yeah, it's a good garage industry.
Alright.
Hi. Are you filming me?
You're in the video, yes, because
Yeah.
I forgot to switch to
And
horizontal
I just-
before I started it. So yeah, this is Reese's new testing spot. Some of you
Yeah.
can watch his videos, but we're going to. I think he's going to do more of his testing up here. We put a couple different mounting systems up. The fans hang a little bit higher. There's a little better lighting.
Yeah.
Plus, it's summer. It's nice to be in the garage.
Yeah.
We got a sound system out here. It's,
The only
it's
problem
a better
is-
spot for testing.
The only problem is the bees.
Well, we're knocking those bees out.
Yeah.
There's been a couple wasps around.
All right.
They wa-
Well, that is actually all I have for this.
Should I stop it?
You can if you want, but this is all I have for this Crompton Greaves here. So yeah.
All right, there we go, guys.
Thanks for
Well,
watching.
on
Yes,
that, we're gonna finish
please
the live
subscribe.
stream. So, Reece, Metal Pete, me. Thanks for watching.